So it's kind of interesting. Our practice goes back to being one of the first 3 practices in the world to be using botulinum toxins. You know, botulinum toxins are made by these bacteria that are in your backyard. They're all over the place. And they make these toxins in order to kill mammals so that they can then feed on them. That's the whole idea here. And, you know, a lot of bacteria will make toxins to kill other bacteria, and these are made to kill mammals. So the botulinum toxins are the most potent, most deadly naturally occurring toxins in the world. And somebody had the bright idea of understanding how it worked and trying to use it for medical application. And the first use was to weaken the nerve that tells the muscle to contract in children who had trouble moving their eyes. Later, we realized that it would be very helpful for people who had spasms in their faces or spasms in their eyes. They couldn't keep their eyes open. So again, what happens here is the toxin gets taken up into the nerve. The nerve tells the muscle to contract. If you damage the nerve, then the muscle won't contract. And so the whole art of using these botulinum toxins is to give a little bit so that you weaken the muscles that are bothering you, and you don't completely knock out function. And why would you use it? Lots of medical examples. Let's say you have somebody who has a stroke, and in that stroke they have a contracture of their limb. And so it's pulled up like this, and you might want to weaken these muscles temporarily until that limb starts moving better. That would be one medical use. There are many. Cosmetically, it's involved in decreasing movement of the face so you don't get the wrinkles as much. In fact, I remember the day my partner was injecting somebody with half facial spasm, hemifacial spasm, and he came to me and he said, "Charlie, I think Botox takes away wrinkles." And I said, "No, Jamie, hemifacial spasm takes away wrinkles." Of course, we were both right. He was more right, but I remember that day very clearly. So the botulinum toxins stop the nerves from making the muscles contract. And the whole art is to give just a little bit, so you weaken it just a little bit,